Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 9 of our less than 1500 calories diet plan. Our breakfast is going to be overnight oats and it is around 429 calories. Now let us see how to prepare it. Take a quarter cup of oats. To this add half a cup of milk. The milk is already boiled and warmed. 2 tablespoons of curd, and if you don't have curd you can use yogurt, and half a teaspoon of chia seeds. Now give everything a nice mix. Now we are going to leave this overnight. In the morning it will be like this. This is perfectly set. Give this a good mix. Now take 5 almonds, 1 cashew nut and 10 raisins. Chop everything into fine pieces. Now into the oats bowl we are going to add half an apple. Next let us add the raisins and chopped nuts. Add a teaspoon of honey into this. So here our oats bowl is ready. 1 bowl of overnight oats has 10.7 grams of proteins, 13.5 grams of fats, 57.5 grams of carbohydrates and 8.3 grams of fiber. Moving on to the morning snacks, we are going to have around 25 grams of groundnuts. It is around 142 calories. Add few drops of oil in a pan and fry the groundnuts. Add some salt and chili powder for taste. So here the groundnuts are ready. This amount of groundnuts has 6.6 grams of proteins, 9.9 grams of fats, 6.7 grams of carbohydrates and 2.8 grams of fiber. Moving on to the lunch, it is going to be around 340 calories. We are going to take chapati, rice, rasam and ladies finger fry. First let us see how to prepare this lentil rasam. For this take quarter cup of split pigeon peas, that is tur dal. Clean it with water and add a cup of water. Close this and cook for 4 to 5 whistles. We are not going to use the ready-made rasam powder, so we are going to prepare it. Take half teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Dry roast them. To this add few curry leaves and 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Roast this well. Dry roast this for 1 or 2 minutes. You will get a nice aroma, and that time you can switch off the flame. This is ready. You can see that everything got roasted well. Once it cools down, you can transfer this into a mixie jar and grind this coarsely. So we have done with our rasam masala. Take this and set this aside. Now chop a tomato, add it into the mixie jar and grind it into a fine paste. This is ready. Let us transfer this into another bowl. The next item we need is lemon. So we are going to take juice out of half a lemon. By the time we'll check whether our dal is ready. So here the dal is also ready. It is cooked perfectly. Now we'll move on to the main tempering. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram, that is urud dal. Let the mustards pop. Once it starts popping, you can add few curry leaves and the grinded masala. Saute this well for about a minute or 2. Once this is sauteed well, you can add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing. And for the spiciness, you can add around 1 or 2 dry chilies. Saute this for about a minute and then add the grinded tomato. Give this a nice saute. You can saute this until the oil oozes out. If you can see some oil oozing out here and there, you can add the cooked dal. To this, add the required amount of salt. I am using rock salt. You can use either the rock salt or the powdered one. This is rasam or soup, so you have to add enough water to make it little watery. According to the consistency, you can add around a cup of water. Bring it to a boil, and once it starts boiling, you can add the lemon juice and switch off the flame. A perfect rasam needs some flavor of coriander leaves, so add few chopped coriander leaves. Our rasam is ready. Let us transfer this into another bowl. Rasam is ready. Let us move on and prepare our lady's finger fry or sabji. Take a pan, add some oil in it. To this, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. Add half a cup of onions and few curry leaves. We are going to saute this for another few minutes. Once the onions are translucent, you can add the lady's finger. This is around 15 lady's fingers. Let us saute this for another 3 to 4 minutes. To this, let us add one big chopped tomato. Give this a nice saute. After sauteing the tomatoes for about a minute or two, we can add the salt. To this, add half a teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Now everything has to get cooked well. We are going to cook the lady's finger until the sliminess of the lady's finger goes off. Let us close this and cook this in medium flame. We need to cook this for around 10 minutes, so you have to open the lid and give a nice saute in between. This is ready now. You can see that the tomatoes got mashed well and the sliminess of the lady's finger has gone. Let us transfer this into another bowl. The lady's finger fry or the sabji is ready. Our lunch is going to be 1 chapati, half a cup of boiled rice, half a cup of rasam and half a cup of lady's finger sabji. Half cup of cooked rice has 2.2 grams of protein, 0.3 grams of fats, 22.2 grams of carbohydrates and 0.4 grams of fiber. 1 wheat roti has 3 grams of proteins, 0.4 grams of fats, 17.4 grams of carbohydrates and 2.7 grams of fiber. Half a cup of rasam has 4.1 grams of proteins, 1.9 grams of fats, 10.8 grams of carbohydrates and 1 gram of fiber. Finally, half a cup of lady's finger sabji has 2 grams of proteins, 4.3 grams of fats, 8.2 grams of carbohydrates and 3.6 grams of fiber. For the evening snack, I am going to take 1 orange. This is Nagpur orange and it is around 63 calories. And this 1 orange has 0.9 grams of proteins, 0.3 grams of fats, 14.3 grams of carbohydrates and 1.4 grams of fiber. Our night dinner is going to be finger millet dosa and split green gram sambar. This is around 356 calories. Please refer day 6 video for the split green gram sambar. Now let us move on and do our finger millet dosa. Take 1.5 cups of finger millet, that is ragi. Clean it and soak this in water for overnight. Transfer this into a mixie jar, adjust the water and grind this into a smooth batter. The batter has to be something like this. To this, add 1.5 cups of regular dosa batter. Give this a nice mix. Add the required amount of salt. So your final batter consistency has to be like this. Now let us pour the batter on a hot tawa and spread it. Add little amount of oil. Cook properly on both the sides. So here the ragi dosa is ready. We need 2 of them. As the side dish, we are going to take half a cup of split green gram sambar. 2 finger millet dosas has 7.4 grams of proteins, 10.8 grams of fats, 39.2 grams of carbohydrates and 6.7 grams of fiber. And half a cup of sambar has 2.4 grams of proteins, 1.7 grams of fats, 12.2 grams of carbohydrates and 2.2 grams of fiber. So today our calorie intake was around 1330. Day 9 is over. Meet you on day 10. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.